Ever had a secret? The insurance companies have several secrets that they don't want you to know. The first thing your insurance company probably doesn't want you to know is that they pay more money to settle claims to people who have a lawyer than they do to people without a lawyer. That's right. By having a lawyer, the insurance company pays more. And why is this? A good injury attorney will fight for all different types of losses that you may not even know you're entitled to. The insurance company doesn't want you to know that the adjusters are trained professionals whose job it is to reduce, minimize, or deny paying claims. Adjusters are not there to help you. The adjuster's job is to help the insurance company make a profit. And they do this by making substandard offers to injured people. Insurance companies also know that if they can drag out your claim, you may become frustrated and forget the whole thing. They train their adjusters to drag out the claims by asking you for needless documentation or asking you for information that's impossible to get. Another trick is they like to pressure you into making a fast settlement. They want to settle your claim by getting you to sign a release sooner rather than later. They want you to sign a release before you find out what your injuries really are, before you go to a good doctor, before you realize the severity of your injuries, before you speak to an attorney, and before you know what your claim is really worth. They know pretty quickly what your claim is worth, and if they can buy your claim cheap and fast, they will. So watch out for the fast settlement offer. Insurance companies also don't want you to know that they have been running a billion-dollar propaganda campaign, distorting the truth about such things as lawsuit crisis and tort reform, insurance crisis, doctors leaving the states because of medical malpractice claims. These untrue statements are all designed so that insurance companies can increase their premiums, reduce claims, and prejudice juries so that they can make a higher profit. The facts are that the insurance companies have lost a lot of money in their investments in the stock market and real estate. They have not lost money by paying injured folks or from runaway juries. The truth is there's a lot of lawsuit abuse, and the insurance companies cause most of it. It's not uncommon for us to file a single claim and the insurance company will file 5, 10, maybe 15 bogus defenses that are totally frivolous, purely designed to slow down the claim. And all they want to do is hopefully reduce or avoid having to pay a fair settlement. Another thing that the insurance companies don't want you to know is that there's absolutely no relationship between the amount of property damage to a vehicle and the amount of injuries caused in an accident. The simple truth is, if you want to see if a car is damaged, look at the car. If you want to see if a person's injured, look at the person. Looking at the car cannot tell you whether or not a person has sustained an injury in a crash. In fact, the state of Florida keeps records, and there are literally hundreds of cases where there's minimal or no property damage in which people have died or suffered incapacitating injuries. Did you know that the insurance company has to tell you what kind of insurance coverage is available? They can't keep it a secret from you. There's a specific law in Florida that requires them to disclose the insurance coverage if you ask using the magic words. This is something else the insurance company hopes you never know. The bottom line is this: the more you know about your rights, the better the outcome of your injury case. And if you have any questions about your rights concerning any type of serious injury case, please call me, Matt Powell, and I will be glad to give you a free consultation to discuss your claim. My number is easy to remember. It's 813-INJURED, INJURED. Please call me, Matt Powell. Thank you.